Ever wondered how to effortlessly book your next salon appointment, spa day, or fitness class without the endless phone calls and scheduling headaches? What if there was one platform that put all your favorite beauty and wellness services right at your fingertips, allowing you to discover new businesses, read reviews, and manage your entire wellness journey with ease? Well, that's exactly what Vagaro does for clients like you. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. We're all looking for ways to simplify our lives, and managing our personal care and wellness routines is no exception. Gone are the days of flipping through phone books or trying to coordinate schedules over multiple voicemails. Vagaro has revolutionized how clients connect with beauty, wellness, and fitness businesses, creating a seamless and intuitive experience that puts you in control. So, how exactly does Vagaro work for you, the client? Let's dive in and explore the fantastic features and benefits this platform offers, making your life a whole lot easier and your self-care routine more accessible than ever before. First and foremost, Vagaro is your personal discovery engine for local beauty and wellness businesses. Imagine you've just moved to a new city, or you're simply looking for a new hairstylist, massage therapist, or yoga studio. Instead of aimlessly searching online or asking for recommendations that might not fit your needs, you can simply open the Vagaro app or visit their website. Vagaro allows you to search for businesses based on your location, the specific services you're looking for, and even filter by customer reviews. This means you can quickly find highly rated businesses offering exactly what you need, right in your neighborhood. You can browse through detailed business profiles, view their service menus, check out their pricing, and even see photos of their work. It's like having a personalized directory of all the best wellness professionals at your fingertips. Once you've found a business that piques your interest, the real magic of Vagaro begins. Online booking. This is where Vagaro truly shines for clients. Forget about playing phone tag or trying to squeeze a call into your busy day. With Vagaro, you can view real-time availability for any service and any provider within a business. The calendar is right there, showing you open slots in an instant. You simply select the service you want, choose your preferred staff member if you have one, pick a date and time that works for you, and confirm your appointment. It's incredibly straightforward and can be done 24/7, whether it's early morning, late at night, or on your lunch break. No more waiting for business hours to schedule your self-care. But Vagaro goes beyond just basic booking. Let's say you're looking to book multiple services at once, perhaps a haircut, a color, and a quick eyebrow wax. Vagaro allows you to add multiple services to your booking in a single transaction, ensuring that all your appointments are coordinated and you can plan your day accordingly. Many businesses also offer add-ons, like deep conditioning treatments or essential oil enhancements, which you can easily select during the booking process to customize your experience. Another incredibly helpful feature is the ability to manage your existing appointments. Life happens, and sometimes you need to reschedule or cancel. Vagaro makes this process pain-free. Through your client account, you can easily view all your upcoming appointments, make changes, or cancel them with just a few taps. You'll receive automated reminders via email or text message as your appointment approaches, helping you avoid accidental no-shows and ensuring you're always on time. These reminders are a lifesaver for busy individuals, ensuring you never miss a vital self-care session. Beyond booking and managing appointments, Vagaro also serves as a central hub for your client information. When you create a Vagaro client account, it securely stores your contact details, appointment history, and even preferences. This is incredibly beneficial for both you and the businesses you visit. For you, it means a streamlined booking process every time. No need to re-enter your information. For the business, it allows them to offer a more personalized experience. For instance, your favorite stylist might make a note about your preferred hair products or color formulas, ensuring consistency and satisfaction with every visit. You can also view your past purchase history, see any packages or memberships you've bought, and track your loyalty points if the business offers them. Vagaro also facilitates seamless communication between you and the businesses. Many businesses utilize Vagaro's messaging features, allowing them to send important updates, promotions, or even chat with you directly if you have a question. This helps foster a stronger relationship between clients and businesses, creating a more engaging and connected experience. Payment processing is another area where Vagaro simplifies things for clients. When booking, some businesses may require a deposit or a card on file. Vagaro provides a secure and integrated payment system, allowing you to make these payments directly within the app or website. This eliminates the need for cash or fumbling with cards at the counter, making your checkout experience quicker and more efficient. For businesses that offer online product sales or gift certificates, you can also purchase these directly through their Vagaro listing. The Vagaro mobile app is a game changer for clients. Available on both iOS and Android, the app puts all these powerful features right in your pocket. It's designed with a user-friendly interface, making it incredibly easy to navigate and use on the go. Whether you're at home, at work, or out and about, you can quickly find and book your next appointment with just a few taps on your smartphone. The app also allows you to save your favorite businesses, making rebooking a breeze. Finally, Vagaro empowers you to make informed decisions about where you spend your time and money. The platform features robust review and rating systems, allowing you to read feedback from other clients before you book. This transparency helps you choose businesses that consistently deliver excellent service and a positive experience. After your appointment, you'll often receive a prompt to leave your own review, contributing to this valuable community feedback loop. In essence, Vagaro transforms the often cumbersome process of scheduling and managing beauty, wellness, and fitness appointments into a smooth, convenient, and empowering experience for clients. It's more than just a booking tool. It's a comprehensive platform that connects you to the services you need, streamlines communication, and helps you manage your self-care routine with unparalleled ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.